Welcome to our heat map tutorial series. Let's take a look at the Geo Heatmap in Mouseflow and the things you can do with it. Once in Mouseflow, click on Heatmaps and then click on Geo. That will open up a map. And as you can see, there are different hotspots of traffic hidden in different areas of the globe. You can see there's one hotspot in the United States, some in Denver, Colorado. There's one in Miami, the 305, some in New York, Buffalo. And this will give you a visual representation of where your traffic is coming from. Now, one of the coolest things about the Geo Heatmap is that if you pair it with our powerful filters, and let's say you filter for different campaign sources like Google, Bing, Meta, or LinkedIn, you can actually see whether or not the targeting is right. With so many regulations and privacy nowadays, this is one of the best ways to understand whether you're hitting the right target.